Hi! In front of me is CUBOT X20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, access settings, tap on connected devices and select pair new device. Wait for available buttons to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. After that, select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always forget this device by tapping on the connected device over here, choosing forget and tapping on forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!